does not sound good. What's up? Okay, gonna do some RC wrenching today, but a quick view of some vehicles. Here's the Rustler, the Blazer, little mini LST that I'm gonna sell, TRX4 I'm gonna sell. This actually has a bunch of parts with it. And then come over here. There's Christmas stuff everywhere. Here is a bunch of Xmaxx parts, so I'm gonna throw an Xmaxx together. And here's what I'm gonna work on next. This is Redcat BE6S. All right, so we're gonna throw this up on the bench.
Not throw.
We're not gonna throw it, we're gonna put it on the bench. I got this used from a guy. He blew up the diffs, and I bought this over a year ago, so it's been sitting for a long time, but I really like it. Got a bunch of, can you go put that over on the shelf for me, Reese?
What?
We'll put this over on that shelf over there, out of the way. So I'm just gonna kind of go through all these parts, see what I got, see what's broken. I mean, these LED lights are broken. I don't really care about lights. This is a roller, and I believe I paid like $150 shipped. And let's see if we can get a good view on this while we're on the bench. But it's, I think it's in pretty good shape. I have no idea how this thing goes together, but it's pretty heavy duty. I mean, look at these A-arms, pretty beefy. The axles look really beefy.
They look loose.
I think well, they're not hanging on there right now. I mean, these are like little toothpicks. It looks good. And I think it's a keeper. I'm gonna take it apart, put new diffs in it.
I was gonna see that.
I'm gonna take it apart real slowly. I think I have a book hooked up. I do want to see if these batteries fit. I don't think they do. So these oh man, there we go. These nanotechs aren't gonna fit in here, which is fine with me. I can run those in something else. Let's see what else we got over here. You got some of these Electron Pros. Those fit just fine. Where I am at, 4S works really good for me. I don't have the area to run 6S. I mean, unless this thing's a turd, but here, let's actually pop this stuff out. So,
Is there something that I can stand on?
what's that?
Is there something that
Yes, there is. You can stand on my soldering box. So this is an ESC out of a Zen Colossus XT. It's got the 5 amp BEC, and then this is a motor out of it's actually out of a Creighton, Arma Creighton.
Where is it?
It's over here. Right here.
That's big. Looks heavy.
Where do you want to stand at?
Probably just
So I can get this out of the way, and I am going to look into the diffs and see what's blown up. He actually gave me 2 brand new diffs, and these look, I mean, this looks like pretty good, pretty nice stuff. It's Redcat, but it's also, I believe it's made by Team Magic. And like I said, I haven't. Hey Reese, why don't you have one of those tires over there? One of my favorite things. Can you reach them? One of my favorite things about this Oh, look at this. This must be the center diff. This must be the center diff here. I'm just going for it here. There you go. This is why I like this thing. I mean, these are some sweet tires. I've sold all of my Arma stuff. Not for any particular reason, I just sold it. It's not that heavy.
It is.
Let's see what all they got here.
It's really heavy.
Okay. Sort through this stuff. Yeah. Why don't you go put that back?
Guys,
What's up, Charlie?
it's time to go to bed.
Alrighty. We can go to bed. She's right here. She's helping.
It's time to go to bed.
Alright. We'll go to bed.
No.
Hey, see.
No.